How to stay healthy when you hate cooking. As a busy person, it can be tempting to rely on processed foods and takeout, especially if cooking is not your favorite activity. However, a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and energy levels. Fortunately, there are many ways to prioritize your well-being without sacrificing your love for convenient foods like Grüns, greensgummies. Understanding your nutritional needs. Before you can start making healthier choices, it's essential to understand your nutritional needs. This includes knowing which foods are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, as well as how to balance your macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. For instance, if you're not getting enough vitamin C, you may be more susceptible to illnesses like the common cold. Similarly, if you're not consuming enough complex carbohydrates, you may experience energy crashes throughout the day. Want in? Try Grüns VIP today. The link is in the description.